Microsoft has joined the ranks of other tech giants to release an on-the-go tablet. It's not very different than what others have tried to achieve like Apple or Samsung, but there are some really sleek qualities of the new Surface Go that makes the experience of using the device really enjoyable. Welcome to All Hands on Tech. I'm Shruti Shekhar. The 10-inch Surface Go is part of Microsoft's Surface collection that includes the Surface Pro and Surface Laptop. Before I get right into the review, I want to remind everyone that this tablet can be used with the Surface Pen or the Signature type cover, but they're sold separately. I did this review with the help of the type cover, and I highly recommend you get it. We'll talk about the keyboard a little later. Let's look at this device from a bird's eye view. The appearance of the device is very beautiful. If you detach the type cover, the tablet is pretty light, but add that cover on top and it can get a bit weighty. Believe me when I say this. I carry the tablet around in my bag and it was really convenient, but I could totally feel it on my shoulder. The tablet's kick-out stand is also very convenient to use, but I don't really like the color of the back plastic. Visually, the light silver gray is pretty, however, it can easily get dirty over time. The tablet is very easy to use when you're on the go. In fact, I was at a conference the other day where I had to sit in a corner without a desk prepping for an interview and was using my Surface Go. I really like how sleek the tablet looks as you're handling it. The screen is very clear and the images are vibrant. The touch sensitivity is also balanced. By that I mean it's not too sensitive. So when I was managing between 2 or 3 different tabs or applications, I didn't find myself struggling. Watching videos on YouTube was also a very pleasant experience because the display is so nice. However, the biggest issue is how much lag there is when expanding the video view or even moving from different application tabs. And that's because the Surface Go runs Windows 10 in S mode, and that limits your ability to only installing apps in the Microsoft Store. Moving on to camera quality, you've got a 5-megapixel front-facing camera that has 1080p Skype HD video, and you've got an 8-megapixel rear-facing autofocus camera with 1080p HD video and a single microphone. It's very easy to use and simple, but again, this isn't the camera you're going to use to take a picture for National Geographic. The quality is evident mainly when you're making video calls, great for business conference calls. On the side, there's a USB-C port that lets you connect to a monitor or use as a charger. And of course, you've got a port for the Surface Go power supply. I want to go back to the keyboard that I mentioned earlier. The fact of the matter is you need to have the accessory if you really want to take full advantage of this tablet. I really liked how the keyboard is to use. The magnets to attach the type cover works like a charm and it protects your screen from scratches, which is really functional. I also like that it's easy to swipe between applications using the trackpad. However, I do not like the outer case material. It can get easily dirty because of the Alcantara material. Alcantara is very similar to suede. Be warned, this isn't a full-size keyboard, so it also takes a while to get used to. Your fingers are almost too big to perfectly hug each key. Instead, you feel like the keys are a bit overcrowded, making it hard to type. That being said, this tablet's functionality is really good for on-the-go people. If you're at a business meeting or you travel for work, this tablet is really convenient and it's pretty stylish as well. It's priced at $529 for 64 gigabytes or $699 for 128 gigabytes. What do you guys think? Do you like the tablet? Leave us a comment below and tell us your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. My name is Shruti Shekhar, and you're watching All Hands on Tech.